wiring is going to go under the mudguard. And you might be wondering why it hasn't got the OSSA written on the back of it anymore. Well, I recovered the seat and then found out that the seat pan was bent and wouldn't fully fit back on the bike. So then when the seat pan was flattened, then the fabric for the seat was then too tight. So I've redone it, and I'm going to put the OSSA back on it. Right, what size nuts are those? They look like a 10. They look like a 10. They on the sockets. They is a 10. 10. Small ratchet. Oh, she looks so nice. She looks so nice. I'm chuffed to bits. Now what I'm going to do once my OSSA project is finished, well, once the OSSA project is finished, I'm going to build myself a truck. All fingers and thumbs. In my excitement, I am all fingers and thumbs. Just hand tighten it first. I'll push the seat down a bit. That's better, that's a bit quick. So yeah, I'm going to build myself a track. I've got some friends. Got some old car tyres. Bit of land, because I'm lucky enough to live in Catalonia, so I've got a bit of land, and I could be whizzing around the garden. I've got some old tyres coming, and see what else I can find and scavenge to build a truck. But there's lots of off-road tracks over here, and believe it or not, this bike has actually got an ITV, so I can take it on the road. It's got a legal ITV, so it can go on the road. Rear mudguard, nuts and bolts. Another little reminder. was dying to get my grubby mitts onto this for the last couple of weeks. And I said just everything come up and got in the way. Nope. This is where I go. I knew that would do. Perfect. Tank, carburetor, seat, rim mudguard. All shoes have been. The rest of the airbox back on. I'm over this side. It literally is just three bolts. So I'll put the airbox back on. And a springy clip to the carburetor. I'm going to replace this as well, but because I've forgotten to order it, and I'm keen to get my bike on the tracks. For now, it's going to have to do, and I'll get an order in today, and I'm going to get them decals ordered because I'm so excited now because it's really coming together now. Just want to ride it. Bit of wiggling to do on this. Wiggling to do. on. Obviously it's got a side panel, but I need to respray the side panel. So that will also be held on with these bolts, but for now it's just going to be a black side panel until I get round to spraying them, which will now probably be this afternoon. Okay, so we got the wiring, and like I said, I started taping the wiring up, run new wires. This is for the rear light, so it's going to be under here. Not quite sure I'm going to fit it yet. Actually, might do a little strap across where the two nuts are, just so I can thread the wire through. I've got to drill the holes for the new light. She is coming together. But enough of that for now.